There is a 50 million CRO token burn coming. Crow with Knife is having a beautiful move up today and is getting a new exchange listing, which is going live in just 2 days. The entire Kronos ecosystem had a moment of glory yesterday. Today, some tokens are coming back down as Crow with Knife is still showing signs of strength. And Chris Marsliak is speaking out about the broader market and some ideas that I think we all need to keep in mind when it comes to crypto overall. I've got a lot to go over in this video. You're going to want to stick around to the end. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. I've got some news to share with you guys today, so buckle up. Welcome back. Let's get into it. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and let's talk about some of the big stories today. I'll share my screen to get started, and we'll look at what's going on with Bitcoin, which is in fact above $60,000 today, but we were a little bit higher yesterday. We were all the way up to almost $62,000 yesterday, which was beautiful to see. But Bitcoin's coming down a little bit today. Ethereum is also down a little bit today, down 1%. A couple altcoins are moving up. A lot of AI plays today, Caspa, Avalanche, some others. And you will see that there are a couple tokens that are, quite down over the last 7 days, as well as a couple tokens that are down a little bit today. As for the Crow with Knife Kronos ecosystem, Crow with Knife is leading the way. Once again, it is now the #1 trending coin in Kronos on Dex Screener, which is very exciting for the Crow with Knife community and Kronos overall. In fact, as this has been pumping up, yesterday we saw a move out of the mystery Mary token as well. If I go over to that coin real quick, you will see yesterday had a very big green candle for the mystery Mary token. Today, still hanging onto a green candle. Let's see if this thing can flip green. Crow with Knife, on the other hand, is showing quite a bit of strength today with a little bit of a bigger green candle there. And some of the other tokens that came up yesterday, not down a tremendous amount today, so not necessarily falling lower yet, but not really making continued moves up. I think the community is looking to Crow with Knife to pave the way. The two biggest coins in Kronos are Ka and Mary in the meme coin side of things. Of course, taking Corgi AI out of the way. The two newest memes, should I say, are Ka and Mary. And Ka is showing the most strength right now. Why? Well, because my friends, Gate.io is going to start trading this token on their platform 9 a.m. June 28th UTC time, and people are getting excited. When we saw some pumps for Crow with Knife in the past, this was the crypto.com exchange listing. We saw the Bitmarket exchange listing also give a good pump, and we've seen a couple pumps on some exchange listings for this token. Is this thing going to pump and break to new levels again? I certainly hope so for the Crow with Knife community. I certainly hope so for the Kronos ecosystem overall, because I do believe that if Crow with Knife can continue to go up, that money can flow into some of the altcoins in this ecosystem as well. Some of these other memes, especially, that I know people have been very excited about. But besides this exchange listing coming and the memes on Kronos, how about the Kronos chain overall? How about the CRO token? Well, there is a burn proposal that has officially been approved, guys, and we are going to see a 50 million Crow coin burn, and I think there's another 10 million that's going to get burned as well. So this is good to see. We've got big Crow coin burns coming now. This is only a fraction of the supply. It's not really going to move the needle tremendous amount, but more burns over time are good. And it is a good news story to get out into the public, to just see that there are burns happening for this coin. This is good over the long term. We want more Crow coin burns, which will essentially increase the value of your CRO tokens. And there are upgrades continuously being done for the Kronos chain, which is good to see. And I want to remind you guys that in general, this is the Kronos chain's first bull market. And you can't forget that, my friends. Chris Marsliak is also tweeting out, someone once said, the market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. The same person also said something about being brave when others are fearful. And this person further advised to buy when there is blood in the streets. And so today, when we look at this market cap, and we look that we're at a $2.25 trillion market cap, we still have not surpassed our previous all-time highs for the total market cap, which means we still have that coming. There is blood in the streets right now. When you look at the fear and greed index at neutral, my question is are you looking at these ideas and buying when there's blood in the streets? Are you patient or are you impatient? Because the impatient ones are the ones transferring their money to the patient, according to this quote from Chris Marsliak. And what I want to remind you guys is this. If you look at Crocoin historically right now, first of all, the overall market cap hasn't broken to new highs yet. You know that I'm bullish on that. I'm waiting for that to happen. But if you look at Crow versus Bitcoin, we are at its all-time low versus Bitcoin. And patience is probably running thin. But patience is what any Crocoin holder should have right now, as this does look like it wants to bottom out on its lows versus Bitcoin. This is historically the lowest Crocoin has ever been versus Bitcoin. And I think that means that a bounce could be coming soon for this token. It's heading lower against the dollar, but it's trying to find a bottom versus Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin can continue up and continue to the upside of this range, back to $70,000, maybe we get one more bounce off 59. Maybe this thing looks like it wants to bounce there. Maybe it stops here and continues to go up. If Bitcoin can't keep going up, then I think Crocoin can get its bounce here. If Bitcoin keeps coming down, there's a chance that not only Crocoin, but a lot of the altcoins continue to bleed versus Bitcoin. A lot of altcoins are bleeding versus Bitcoin today. But the burn is good news. The movement in the meme coins for Kronos, those are looking decent right now, especially Crow with Knife. I'm waiting on that overall market cap to come up, and I do believe when it does, you're going to see not only Kronos coin, not only the meme coins on Kronos, but the entire Kronos ecosystem and many, many altcoins outside of the Kronos ecosystem will get a move up along with the overall market cap. And what I'm doing right now is continuing to accumulate. If you want to trade some of the volatility in crypto, my friends, you can get a free $30 for copy trading when you sign up for Blowfin using our link in the description down below. You can buy a lot of different tokens on Blowfin, a lot of the big altcoins out there in the space. Check out the link down below if you haven't done so already. If you want to become a member on our channel, you get access to our private Discord where you can talk directly with me and Black Sea. Guys, I like what I'm seeing right now. I like seeing that they're, blood in the streets right now for accumulation opportunities. If you use these exchanges or other exchanges, looking to DCA right now is a strategy Chris Marszalek was alluding to. I think trading is decent right now. I'm going to continue to DCA into these markets because I believe there's a greater bull market coming, my friends. I'm just waiting for it to happen. Let me know what your thoughts are on Crow with Knife in the comments down below. What are your thoughts on the Mystery Mary token? What are your thoughts on Kronos overall and this CRO token burn? That's all I got on this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. 2 videos for you right here. If you want to check them out, y'all, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.